I'm Nikayla Zimmerman, and today we're talking about how we removed almost 40 years of dust from this historic airplane. Robert Billard donated the Longren Biplane to the Kansas Museum of History in 1938. It originally belonged to his brother Philip, a Topeka aviator who died in a test flight during World War I. In the museum's original home, the plane was exhibited just like this, on the floor. When the museum moved to its current location, the plane was partially disassembled and moved across town. With help from a conservator at the Air and Space Museum in Washington, D.C., museum staff hung the plane from the ceiling in the new gallery in 1987. Because of its location, the plane was infrequently cleaned and the dust accumulated. It remained there until 2023, when the plane was brought down for gallery renovations to begin. Keeping artifacts clean is an important part of their preservation. Dust is abrasive and can attract pests that cause even more damage to artifacts. We wanted to make sure the plane was as clean as possible before it's reinstalled in the gallery. To do that, we began by first inspecting the plane to make sure that it can withstand the treatment we had planned. Then, we carefully used compressed air at low pressure to remove as much loose dust as possible. We followed that with a vacuum to remove even more dust, and finally, we wiped the surface of the wings with a microfiber cloth to pick up as much remaining dust as possible. We also cleaned the metal and wood components with a microfiber cloth and then applied a thin layer of butcher's wax to protect the wood, buffing it out to a shine. After several weeks of work, the Longren is now ready to be reinstalled in the gallery. You'll be able to see it a little better, and we'll be able to access it more easily for cleaning. We'll do our best to keep this artifact around for generations to come, this time with a little less dust.